Hello, Harvest here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Slack app on your device. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go to the search bar, search your Slack app, right there, take your Slack app, and you want to see if you have the newest version. If the new version is available, the update should pop out right there. But if you have the open bar, that means that you have the newest version and everything should be alright. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go up to the settings, scroll a little down, go to the apps, app management, go here and find your Slack app right there. And maybe you just need to permissions all allow permissions. That should fix some issues. But if you have still some issues after this, there's one more way how to fix it. So last way is just go back to the Play Store, uninstall the app, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, there shouldn't be more issues. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.